Hindi lang puntos ang inihatid ni Anna De Beer, kundi ang matinding puso na nag-abante sa Zeus Coffee Thunderbelts patungo sa kanilang unang PBL Finals appearance sa knockout semifinals kontra PLDT. Nagsilbi siyang haligi ng opensa at emosyonal na leader ng isang batang prangkisang mabilis na umaakyat sa tuktok ng liga. Ang detalye alamin sa muling pag-abante ni Alex Asalil.
Aabante na ang Zeus Coffee Thunderbelts patungo sa kanilang kauna-unahang finals appearance sa Premier Volleyball League matapos ang isang matatag na straight sets na panalo kontra PLDT High Speed Hitters na 25-22, 28-26 at 25-22 sa knockout semifinals ng 2025 Reinforced Conference sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa pinakamatinding laro nila ngayong conference, nangibabaw ang kanilang import na si Anna De Beer na muling nagpakita ng world-class form at mental toughness. Hindi lamang pinangunahan ni De Beer ang opensa sa kanyang 30 puntos, kundi nagsilbi rin siyang emosyonal na puso na koponan na 16 na buwan pa lamang sa liga, ngunit ngayon ay nasa rurok na ng PBL. Sa banayang matapos ang laban, ipiniliwanag ni De Beer na matagal nang hinubog ng kanilang preparasyon ang pagkapanalo na ito. Anya, ang kanilang pag-abante ay hindi aksidente kundi produkto ng sistematikong trabaho mula umpisa hanggang dulo.
I think our team was definitely prepared and we've been working hard this whole entire season, this week, taking it one game at a time. So the competition is always getting better, and we knew that was coming into it. So I'm just really proud of everyone for stepping up tonight, and it's awesome for Zeus Coffee to be in the finals. I'm just so proud.
Dagdag pa niya, ang tagumpay ay mas naging makabuluhan dahil nakita niya mismo ang emosyon at dedikasyon ng buong programa mula sa unang araw at hanggang ngayon na nasa pinakamalaking laban na sila ng prangkisa.
Yes, I mean, just seeing how much it means to them just makes it mean so much more, and seeing their emotion and all the work they put in over the years, and to know this is the first time for this program and first time for me being here, just not really knowing what to expect coming in, but seeing how far we've come from the very beginning, and this whole season we've worked so hard to get here, and it's finally paying off. So I know we just are going to be ready for Sunday.
Binigyang diin din ng American import na ang kanyang standout performance ay hindi mauulit kung wala ang matibay na suporta ng kanyang mga kakampi. Anya, maraming detalyeng hindi nakikita ang publiko na siyang nagbibigay daan para siya ay makapuntos na epektibo at makamit ang sunod-sunod na panalo.
I think it's really awesome at times, but I have everyone around me who does so much that goes unnoticed, or that can sometimes go unnoticed, and I just want to give them credit because, for example, the middles are holding the blocks to allow me to be able to score one-on-one. There's just so much that goes on behind the scenes that a lot of people don't see all the time, so I totally give credit to the teammates for the passing, setting, all around. It allows me to be able to do what I can.
Matapos ang ankle injury na bumagabag sa kanya noong nakarang taon, ibinahagi ni De Beer na mas mahalaga para sa kanya ang makarating sa putong ito ng malusog at buong kumpiyansa, hindi lang sa kanya ngunit para sa buong koponan.
Yeah, I think injuries are a part of it, and it's just how you come out of it and how resilient you are to come back, and that's been my kind of focus this year, is coming off my ankle injury. How can I be better from that? And I'm just so glad to be healthy. I'm very grateful for that every day. I'm just grateful our team is healthy heading into Sunday, so it's really exciting.
Sa pagharap ng Zeus Coffee sa Petrogas Angels sa isang do-or-die championship match sa linggo, tiniyak ni De Beer na ang bersyon ng sarili niya na makikita sa court ay ang parehong matapang at handang sumalo ng pressure at mas pinalevel up para sa finals.
I think what you all have been seeing, I think the stakes obviously get higher each time, and the pressure is going to get more and more intense as we get into the finals, and it can go either way. Everyone is good, and I know Petrogas is really good, so I think just who steps up in those moments, and I love those high pressure moments, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Sa linggo, lalaban ang Thunderbelts para sa titulo at sa gitna ng lahat, nananatiling sentro ng kanilang kumpiyansa si Anna De Beer. Ako si Alex Asalil, Abante Sports Now na.